What's going on, everybody? It's Jacob here at SDR Motorsports, and today we're going to be going over the install of our Molle panels for our Xpedition ADV. All right, so the first step in the install is going to actually be remove the window from the ADV section of the Xpedition. So go ahead and pop that back window open, release the two clamps on the upper side of the window, and go ahead and pop the window out. Remove it and go ahead and set it down on a bench somewhere nice that you can work without worrying about breaking that glass. So we've got the window on the bench over here. Next step is you are going to go ahead and remove all of the Torx fasteners in the window. Those are going to be holding those upper window retainers as well as the lower window retainers. Go ahead and set those to the side because they are going to get reused. You may see in your hardware pack some small aluminum squares. These are used for the non-Northstar models. We do have a video showing the install for those as well, but if you do have a Northstar model that is the sealed cab, you're not going to use these, so just go ahead and set them to the side. Your kit will come with spacers and longer hardware for everything, as well as the actual Molle panel itself. Easiest way that I've found to go ahead and install everything is hang a side off the edge of the table, and then you'll go ahead and set a spacer over each bolt hole. And then lay the panel over it. Hardware, and what hanging that edge over the table will let you do is just get to the bottom side of it to actually be able to get some hardware on the other side to where you can move it around to finish her out. The holes may be a little tight. You may just have to thread them down in there. So once you have all that hardware installed, you can go ahead and flip the window over. We'll reinstall the upper window clamps at the top of the window and the lower window clamps at the bottom. Make sure you get those oriented the correct way. And then nuts and washers. And then we'll get this all tightened down. And it doesn't have to be crazy tight. Remember, there is glass in the middle of it. All right, and the last step is just going to be throwing that window back in. So set it back over the lip. Make sure those clamps are grabbing that weather seal. And then re-tighten your clamps. If they are too hard to tighten, just go ahead and loosen the bolts just a hair, and they should fit a lot better. And that's it.